Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're finally going to do the full tour of my Mac Tools Macsimizer roll cart. I've basically got everything set up in exactly the way I want it in the cart for now. I'm sure I'll be doing some reorganization later, but got everything from my old US General in here, added a couple things, and well, with that said, let's just go ahead and get into this tour. So we'll start here on our little back shelf cubby area. We've got a couple snap-on rechargeable work lights, Milwaukee rechargeable work light, a little back probe set from Snap-on, extra pair of safety glasses, some Milwaukee Inksol paint pens, super lube for the Ratchet. So got a couple of Subaru clutch alignment tools, my favorite safety glasses ever, the anti-fog Milwaukees. We've got rechargeable Milwaukee LED headlamp and our power strip. Up on the lid, we've got two of the little red lithium rover work lights. Love these little things. Magnetic base, swivel, extremely thin. Can get them in wherever you need to. Really bright as well. I've got my little hook for my keys up here on the lid as I did in the US General. And I've got my mag plate. Got a little magnetic plate, collection of Subaru grenade pins, Duramax return line clip there, pin out of a Honda, I believe, tensioner. Got this is a TDC lock for Audi and Volkswagen, O2 sensor socket, hex, a couple impact driver bits, Irwin, what do they call them? This the little shark toothed extractor twist sockets, and Matco branded O2 sensor thread chaser. So starting back here, we've got snap-on pry bars, the old handle style. We've got a Mac old school breaker bar soft grip. We've got a 1/2 inch snap-on here, ratchet, random radiator hose pick. My full set's in my big Epic. I got some long 1/2 inch extensions, a long 3/8, and a Phillips cabinet screwdriver, Mac. So 1/2 inch chrome metric back here. Got a couple of impact sockets. We got the Subaru, snap-on Subaru head bolt socket. We got 22 mil for Subaru cranks, 19 mil deep for miscellaneous suspension stuff, 17 as well. Got the T70 Torx bit. We've also got the new Mac T70 RBRT Torx bit. Really needed that month or two ago on a rounded out Subaru front differential drain plug. Metric swivel sockets, mix set. Snap-on spark plug socket. It's the retention style one without the rubber bushing or magnet. Kokan Z series 16 mil spark plug socket. We got a 19 mil fuel line socket for Cummins back here. Got the Kokan 180 mil and 250 mil 16 millimeter spark plug sockets back here. Great for Honda, Toyota, anything like that. Or you don't have to worry about losing your spark plug socket down in the cylinder head because the extension is built on. You don't have to use a locking extension, anything like that. We've got a Silver Eagle Matco 3/8 impact socket deep and shallow set, 10 and a 14 1/4 inch swivel snap-on. We've got a 12.12 millimeter snap-on deep well. I've got the Kokan Z series 3/8 deep semi shallow. Got the surface drive shallow Kokans. We've got the Z series 1/4 inch deep semi and shallow, and you can barely make out it's a deep well Mac 1/4 inch magnetic impact socket set, and then a Sunex magnetic shallow socket set. We've got the Kokan 13 mil square plug drive for Subaru rear differentials. Miscellaneous little quarter drive swivels here for Mac snap-on and Kokan with the nut grip in them. We've got the Kokan 27 mil 12.4 Subaru pressure sensors on CVT transmissions, Ecotech snap-on oil filter socket, Mac low profile O2 sensor socket, 30 mil, 32 mil CV axle socket from Snap-on. Got a little favorite little bit here to put my battery ratchet. It's a little Phillips 1/4 inch drive, good for taking screws and stuff out of fender wells, things like that. Silver Eagle, full set of E-Torque sockets, tamper-proof Allens, ball Allens, everything you need right over here. Moving down, we got a Snap-on 3/8 deep and shallow chrome and 1/4 inch deep and shallow chrome. Mac tap socket set, Snap-on chrome 3/8 universals. Mac RBRT hexes, metric, a couple of different standard hex sockets. We got the CTA Subaru crank turning socket, Kokan 17, 19, 21 mil lug sockets, Kokan flare nut sockets. Used them this weekend actually to replace another injector in my LLY Duramax. Worked great for getting the fuel lines off. Mac RBRT torque socket set down here. Snap-on CV axle socket set over here. We got a couple pocket screwdrivers, an impact driver, Matco mirror, and magnet. And that basically does it for our top section here. So moving down to drawer number 1, this is a 2-inch drawer. We've got our Matco Big Daddy 30, 32 inch, something like that, monster 1/2 inch locking flex head soft grip ratchet. Got Snap-on 1/2 inch non-locking soft grip ratchet, Matco long handle soft grip 3/8 axis ratchet, Snap-on FLL80 3/8 long handle, the FHN 100, I believe, the 102 round head, soft grip flex head, Matco 40th anniversary locking flex head 3/8, old school S710, I believe, Snap-on from the 70s, 1/2 inch drive. Got 3/8 impact extensions, Snap-on 1/2 inch, chrome extensions, 1/2 inch wobble plus chrome extensions, Snap-on. Got locking 3/8 Snap-on. We've got wobble plus Snap-on 3/8. We've got standard 3/8 Snap-on. We've got standard 1/4 and wobble plus 1/4 Snap-on as well. Various adapters. We got the spring-loaded swivels from Matco. Snap-on spark plug socket, spark plug ratchet. We've got the Nipros long handle 92 3/8 Matco Flex 3/8 Snap-on FL80, my favorite 3/8 ratchet ever. Matco 3/8 standard length 88. Kokan Z Series 3/8 standard length handle. Stubby 3/8 Snap-on F80 Snap-on. TLL F72 super long 3/8 Snap-on soft grip long handle, extra long handle, non-flex 1/4 inch Snap-on. Got the 9-inch 1/4 inch drive converted to a 3/8 Matco locking flex head. Got the, I believe, 8 or 9 inch non-flex 1/4 inch Matco. Soft grip long flex Snap-on, long 1/4 inch non-flex Snap-on. We've got the 72 tooth round head soft grip, little Mac 1/4 inch flex, Kokan Z Series 1/4 inch with 3/8 drive in the body, flex, 1/4 inch Snap-on breaker bar, locking flex Snap-on 1/4 inch, Mac 92 axis soft grip, Nipros 92 1/4 inch, Hazette 88 tooth hyper, whichever way they pronounce, fine tooth ratchet, Stahlvili 92 for locking, anvil. We got a Facom, I believe this is a 72 tooth sealed head ratchet, Kokan Z Series 1/4 inch T72 snap-on, standard length Matco, itty bitty Mac bit driver for 1/4 inch shank bits, various little swivels, and adapters. Drawer number 2, another 2-inch drawer. We've got a Matco metric flare nut wrench set back here, Mac panel poppers, and high carbon scrapers, various Mac picks. Got the little Mac pocket pry bar. If you don't have one of these, this thing is awesome. Way stouter than your regular pocket screwdriver. Good little pry tool. Got a mixed set of old school Macs with replacement knuckle savers. Got hazardous freights, offset, deep offset, double box metric wrenches. They're probably going to get upgraded to a Stahlvilla set very soon. Baby snap-on pry bar, some little files, more picks, a couple miscellaneous snap-on crow's feet. Got a Mac, I believe it's a 12-piece screwdriver set in green, snap-on ratcheting screwdriver back here, and snap-on Flank Drive Plus ratchet wrenches. These are the newest with the dual 80 mechanism, the really thin bezel ratchet wrenches. Moving down to our first, I believe this is a 4-inch drawer. Back here we've got a full set of Mac Precision Torque wrenches, combo wrenches from 6 to 32 mil. Awesome promo on that thing a month or so ago. I think you got the whole wrench set and a carry bag for like $3.80. Got a set of Mac torque adapters for the torque wrench, little boxed in wrenches, basically where you can't get a socket in, but you need to get it with a torque wrench. Mac ratcheting flex head combo wrenches. Got Matco brake drum tools. Got a Mac circlip click type clamp plier there. Some various snap ring pliers. Got a Doyle channel lock. Some vice grips, Blue Point hose grip, hose clamp pliers, seal puller from Matco, Blue Point adjustable, Mac hose crimp off. Got new addition back here in the wrench rack, the double jointed Mac hose grip pliers here. Something my dealer just got in about 2 weeks ago, picked them up. Haven't really got a chance to use them yet, but got the Harbor Freight US General wire plier rack, pretty decent for the price. So we've got the double jointed here, knee picks, wire cutter, Blue Point or Matco, can't remember which, it's the same thing. Plastic trim tools, some more vice grips, some more Knipex. We got a Knipex Cobra, Knipex, another pair of pliers for those little click clamps or circlips. Blue Point branded hose crimp off. Got snap-on, toweling grip, needle noses, 87 ACF wire crippers, the PWZs, stripper crippers, Mac hose grips up here, and a 45-degree Mac as well. Alright, drawer number 4, not quite the way I want it to be, kind of a waste of space, need to reorganize this, but it was kind of whatever I had left over kind of drawer and needed a place to put it. So I've got just a couple punches and chisels over here. The majority of those are in my big 84-inch Epic. A couple snap-on hammers, a couple miscellaneous nameless hickory handle hammers, ASF machine, crank seal install tools. Got a bunch of Company 23. We got the single overhead cam, Subaru cam sprocket holder, the crankshaft sprocket holder, the WRX non-AVCS cam pulley holder, EJ 25D, and AVCS holder from CTA again, mechanic stethoscope, some electric liquid electric tape, Flute 115 meter, shockwave bit set from Milwaukee, extra red lithium batteries, for all my lights and headlight and various chargers, and an old school snap-on test light. Alright, down to drawer 5, almost to the end, the power tool drawer. We've got the Milwaukee non-fuel screwdriver, we've got the Milwaukee right angle die grinder, the 3-inch cutoff wheel M12, we've got the mid-torque, really high torque 3/8 600 foot-pound gun, we've got the stubby 3/8, we've got fuel Gen 3 hammer drill, we've got the Gen 2 M12 1/4-inch driver here, the high torque 1/2 inch snap-on long neck CTR 767 and high vis. Got the long neck of the 1/4. Traded the stubby in for the long neck. Use it a lot more than the stubby. And we got the old original CTR 761A standard length 3/8 battery powered ratchet. Extra batteries. Fuel 3/8 ratchet. Milwaukee cordless soldering iron. Mac blowgun. Cutoff wheel and arbor for the 90-degree, hub buddy for the 1/2 inch, cleaning up hubs and stuff, doing brake jobs. Some spare roll-lock discs, bristle discs back there up front, and some Mac burr bits over there in a little red pouch. Home stretch, bottom drawer. Got a snap-on BJP1 master ball joint press set. I don't know why I waited so long to get one. Love the thing. Only used it twice so far, but love it. Got my snap-on tech angle torque wrenches down here. We got my EECT 900 tester there. We've got my borescope there. M18 supercharger there, and snap-on 14.4 volt charger there. And I think that's basically it that's in here. I think maybe my Matco Master tap and die set is under here. If I recall correctly, it might be somewhere else. But yeah, that basically is just a catch-all for bigger stuff in the bottom. Probably want to reorganize that later. Use the space a little bit better as well. Alright guys, that'll do it for the tour of the Macsimizer, and basically get you to date on how I've got it set up now. I'm sure I will be changing configuration around in the future. As I said, that the third drawer down, kind of a waste of space having all of those cam holders and the hammers and stuff laid out. Probably put better use to it later and move that stuff into the 84-inch Epic. Not exactly sure how I'm going to change that layout, but that's the way it is for now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.